In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use buttons in Notion. Whether you're organizing tasks or building a dashboard, buttons can add an efficient layer of automation to enhance your productivity. Let's dive right in. First, head on over to the Notion website. You can do this by opening your browser and typing Notion in the search bar, or simply clicking on the link in the description below. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in at the top right corner of the screen, depending on your current layout. Go ahead and click on Log In. Now that you're on the login page, you'll find multiple options to access your account. For the sake of simplicity, let's go through using Google to sign in. This method is fast and secure, ensuring you can get started quickly. So click on the Google Sign In option. Once you click it, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Click on the account you wish to use with Notion, and voila! A seamless connection is made. You're now logged in and ready to start using buttons to automate tasks. Heading to your dashboard, let's add a property on the left side of your screen. This is crucial if you want to organize your tasks or data comprehensively. In this example, we'll be inserting a button to automatically check off items as completed, which is a savvy way to streamline your workflow. Next, you'll hover over the left margin of your database. You'll see an option that says Insert Left. Click on that option and then a menu will pop up. From this menu, select Button. Clicking on it will insert a button into your database, opening up a range of automation possibilities. Right-clicking on the button allows you to rename it to something more descriptive, such as Complete Task. Type in this new name, or whatever suits the function of your button best, and hit Enter to confirm. Now to get this button working the way you want, click on Edit Automation, which will bring up options for configuring what happens when the button is pressed. You'll want to select New Action to specify what this button should do. Choose Edit Property, and then click on the completed property which you previously created. This tells Notion which property attribute should change when the button is clicked. Next, select the Checked option so it automatically ticks the checkbox in the completed column when the button is pressed. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking on the Save button. Finally, click Done. Now every time you click the button, it will perform the action you've just set. The checkbox will automatically be checked in the completed column, making your workflow more dynamic. And there you have it, a straightforward and valuable way to use buttons in Notion, adding a touch of automation that can significantly enhance how you manage your tasks and projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.